Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So by the time this video is posted, I will have chosen a winner or randomly selected a winner using a random comment picker for my Cover FX giveaway, and I will pin that winner's comment and reply to the winner on that video. So I will leave that link down below if you want to check and see if you won. At the time of filming this, I have not done the whole winner selection, but I will do that while this video is uploading. So thank you to everyone who entered, and if you did not win, don't worry, there are 2 other giveaways going on which I will link below, and I have a 5,000 subscriber giveaway coming up eventually, but I have an idea of doing a giveaway before then. Like, I'm kind of overloaded with skincare right now and I'm testing things, so I'll be focusing on those for a while, so I might do like a skincare giveaway. If that sounds interesting to you or something you guys would like, definitely leave a comment down below. But let's get to today's video. So as you already know, today I will be opening up my May Ipsy Glam Bag. So my Glam Bag Plus shipped like 5 days before this one, and I still haven't received it. It said it was like, there's a delay. I hope it's not lost. I hope I get it. And I just finally got my BoxyCharm last night. So I think what I'm gonna do, I've seen some videos before that I really enjoyed doing like BoxyCharm versus Ipsy Plus. I really like watching those videos, so I'm like, why not? So I'm gonna wait till my Ipsy Plus gets here, hopefully, and do those together. So if you're wondering where my BoxyCharm video is, that's what's going on. But let's talk about Ipsy. So this is the $10 bag. It always comes in this pink bubble wrap mailer bag. So you always know it's here. It's always an exciting day. Ipsy is by far like the best bag for your buck. It's only $10, like I said. It's full of good things. Sometimes you even get full-size items. And I just honestly really love it. So let's get unbagging, because I've been blabbering too long. This is too long of an intro. I just love talking to you guys. Oh, and at the end of this video, if you're interested, UPS just dropped off a package from Free People. I'm pretty sure this is a gift from my grandparents, because usually for my birthday or holidays they give me a Free People piece. I love Free People apparel, so if you're interested in that, I will do that at the end of the video. So it looks like there's something on the outside of the bag. So this is what the bag looks like. So every month with Ipsy you get a little makeup bag, and look how glittery this is. You can actually like feel it. And then there's like a little tassel, zip point. I think it says Ipsy right here. So most of the items are inside this bag, but one was outside of the bag, and this is a brush by Farah. I actually really like Farah brushes. I think I used one today when I was doing my makeup. I'm not sure, I have a few of them, and I need to clean my brushes. I actually like, put them in my bathroom near my makeup room, or my beauty room, and I still have not cleaned them, so I'm using random brushes right now. But this is a double-sided one. Sometimes these are difficult to store, but what I would suggest is leaving the fluffy side up. So there's like a taper, like fluffy blending brush on this side, and then a packing brush for the lid on this side. So this is really convenient, especially if you're like doing your makeup really quickly. You just need one brush. Like just do the crease transition color and then your lid color, which is most days what I do. Today I think I have like 3 colors on my lid, but I do 2 a lot. So this is a 22E shade and blend, and I am super psyched, and I would consider this a full-size item. So that is awesome, and most brushes cost at least $10, like in my experience. I can't remember how much Farah brushes cost, but I wouldn't be surprised if it cost around 10. So there is a little card in here, and it says, May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. Throw caution to the breeze. Embrace your wild blown hair. Buy flowers for yourself. Write love notes to your friends. Wake up to watch the sunrise. Sneak back under the covers. Hashtag Ipsy Daydream. So I guess that is the theme this month. I really don't know if the items correlate with Daydream or what, but inside that card it actually lists all of the items. This is kind of new for Ipsy. They used to give just like a generic card. So this says, use the brush to apply concealer under your eyes, set under eye makeup with powders, highlight the inner corners of your eyes, and contour small areas like your nose. Interesting. I would think I'd use it as a shade and blend, like it's called. But those are some other ideas. You can really use a brush any way you want to. There aren't prices on here, unfortunately. I like when they include prices, but I know sometimes they include sample sizes, so that doesn't really have a price unless you do like some calculations there. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. It's in a little bubble bag. And this is by the Beauty Crop, and this looks like a bronzer. Oh, there's some plastic over it. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I won't even have to crop anything out of the video. Usually when things are a struggle, I take that part out. I don't do too much editing, but that's like what I cut out, is me struggling. So I don't think anyone wants to see that. So yeah, this is a bronzer, and this is a good shade for me. I like that. Today I'm using like the Physician Formula bronzer light, or light bronzer, whatever it's called, and I like that. Sometimes it seems like too light almost, but I like a subtle glow. Oh my god, this is not glow, but I do like a subtle glow, so subtle bronze. I like that. This might be a perfect shade. Oh. Sometimes when I move my wrist, my eye watch goes off. Okay, so what does it say about this? So this is the Beauty Crop Bronzer in Sardinia Sand. I'm not gonna read all the descriptions to you guys. I feel like I've been talking a lot. So it just says it's like inspired by healthy living and natural ingredients. The Beauty Crop brand is, so that's awesome. It says this cool tone bronzer gives you a sun-kissed glow, blends easily, and is made out of antioxidant-rich green tea extract to nourish your skin. Awesome, I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably use this tomorrow. I love bronzers. Remember when I was saying that I never get bronzers? Now I feel like I've been getting a decent amount. I have like a little bronzer collection now. Okay, this is so cute, whatever this is. Look at the packaging. Nature's Cartel multi-purpose stick. This is Global Awakening Illuminator. This is a vegan and cruelty-free item. Cool. The packaging is so cute. So it really is just like a little stick. Oh, it looks kind of like it has a purple champagne type look. I never usually gravitate towards these types of highlights, but I'm really trying to expand my makeup use and like try new things these days, so I'm not mad about getting anything. Ooh. It doesn't look purple at all. I put kind of a lot on. Can you guys see that? I can't tell in the viewfinder, but that's actually really pretty. So it says multi-use. How else would you use it besides highlight? I bet you can put some on your lid. So it says Nature's Cartel is all about non-toxic, cruelty-free products. The shimmery pinky color stick is so versatile that you can use it as a highlighter, eyeshadow, and a lip color. I guess maybe you could like dab it on to like a liquid lip. Like I don't have any gloss on right now. I can't imagine wearing it alone, but if you're into just like subtle glitter on your lips, that's not a bad idea. It says it leaves a touch of natural looking warmth wherever you apply. Cool. Yeah, it's not purple at all on the skin. I don't know why I was thinking that. I like it. All right, 2 more items. What is this? Well, this is cute packaging, whatever it is. Oh, you can see my ring light reflected in it. There's like a little flower if you can't tell. Oh, there is plastic on it. Maybe you'll be able to see it better when I take this off. Let's see if this is as easy as the bronzer. Yeah, you can still, okay, maybe you can see it now, but sorry, that's my ring light. This is by Blasco Dusty Miller. I think this is an eyeshadow. Ooh, this is a cool eyeshadow. Yeah, this is an eyeshadow single. Hopefully you guys can see. This is like, how would you describe it? Let's see if it says it. This satin finish gray shadow is super velvety, pigmented, and ultra blendable, aka a fantastic shade to which to create a killer smoky eye. I bet this is beautiful. Let's see how it swatches. That's it on my finger. Have I been using the same finger? Oh my god, with one little swatch, I like that. Let me see how it builds. That is gorgeous. I've actually been reaching for my single shadows lately now that I'm trying to use different makeup every single day. At least a few things switching out, like my eyeshadows. This is so pretty. This might be my favorite thing. I mean, at first I thought the bronzer, but yeah, that color is just so pretty. Let me wipe my hand and then grab the last product. All right, so the last item in my Ipsy Glam Bag is by Pixi, and I like Pixi products. I think the last Pixi item I got was their Rose Tonic, or their Glow Tonic toner, and I'm thinking about purchasing that in full size once I'm in need of a toner. This is the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. Intense moisture gel instantly rehydrates dry skin. And I love a good moisturizer. I'm just not in the market for one right now, so I probably won't get to this for a while. So this potentially could be in my skincare giveaway if you guys are interested in a skincare only giveaway. I know most people love makeup and all of that, but yeah, let me know again. So this says, this is founded by Working Mom of 4. Pixie by Petra is all about products that make multitasking easy. Made with healthy ingredients like green tea, aloe vera, and rosemary extract, the skin quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals, and protects skin. That's cool. This will be awesome in the summer if it helps like cool your skin, like especially if you get a little bit of sun. Awesome. So I think this was a good month. I mean, I'm pretty much always happy with my Ipsy, and I will use everything in here besides potentially not getting to this for a while or putting it in a giveaway. The brush I'm probably gonna use tomorrow because I desperately need to clean all my brushes, and I don't even mind that it is double-sided because I really do like the fair brushes. And like I said, I think storing the this side, keeping the blending top on top, because who stores their brushes flat? Most people don't. I keep them like behind me. Can you see? I have like a whole bin of those. Not bin, you know, container, whatever the word is. I love trying new bronzers. I can't wait to try this one because it looks like it might be a great shade match. That eyeshadow, seriously gorgeous. I cannot wait to put this on my eye. Normally I wouldn't be too thrilled about this illuminating stick by Nature's Cartel, which by the way, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try it for that reason too. But since I'm expanding like what I'm using and stuff and trying to be more adventurous with my makeup and my makeup application, I'm excited to try this. I'm kind of glad it's not full size because this will probably last a long time. Like I don't mind getting samples like this. Is that everything? Yeah, that's 5 items. And then the bag, this is fine. I'm overloaded with bags. I usually use these like to send my giveaway prizes in and stuff. So sometimes I use them though. I don't hate this one. I'm not mad at it. It's cute. It's fun and glittery. So I am gonna like wipe this makeup off my hand and then open my Free People gift. I don't want to get any makeup on it because it's probably so beautiful. So the Free People bag is super cute itself. It has like really cute prints. So let's see how this open. Oh, there's a little pull string right here. Wow, even inside the bag it is wrapped beautifully. Like, I don't think this is part of the item. Is this a tote bag? Oh my god, yeah, I've seen these before when I get gifts. Oh my god. Okay, this is so beautiful. Look at this bag that it comes with. I forgot they did this. This is way cuter than the ones I've received in the past. And I'm all about using reusable bags and stuff when I go shopping and stuff. This is so cute. I will use this for sure. What a genius way to like package things. This is so beautiful. And it says like Free People on there. You guys, I love Free People. I'm so excited to see, like, I never really shop for clothes for myself anymore. I like used to be big into that, but now I'm like all into makeup and skincare, you know? So this is exciting. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is a top, and it's like really like thin material, like perfect for summer. So this, let's see, it says We the Free. This is a size medium, and this is, wow, there's a price tag on here. This is $108, but this is so cute, I think. This will be perfect like over a swimsuit or like with a pair of shorts and jeans too, but it, you know, it's like getting a little bit warm here. So this is, there's like a tie here you can untie, and there's like the stripe pattern. Sorry, can you guys even see? I'm like, I can't see the viewfinder. I think this is so cute. It looks so comfortable and flowy. I'll probably put this on for one of the videos. I plan to film more today, but we'll see. Sometimes I can like get 1 or 2 done a day. But oh, this is so cute. I don't think it says who it's from, but I know it's from, oh wait. Oh, there's a note here. It says purchase in store and sent out. Okay, oh, the billing information is my grandpa's name. Thank you so much, Grandpa Marvin. I love it so much. If you're watching, I'm gonna send you a text right after this. But I love this. This looks so comfy and perfect with lightweight for Florida. And you know, I like to protect my skin from the sun when I'm outside. So this is perfect that it's so lightweight. I love it. I love Free People so much, and I love blue. I'm wearing a shade of blue right now. I do in many of my videos. But that was a fun little gift to open. Thank you so much. I am so grateful. I was really blessed with gifts for my birthday this year, and I'm like a 31-year-old lady. I'm not a kid, so it's a nice feeling to be receiving all this love. Thank you so much. And thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. Of course, I will leave the Ipsy link and all of that down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!